Guku ne kwa Kikuyu podcast ne gwakanite muno tondu atongoria a makanitha ni mambitie gukirira itua ria mutongoria wa bururi waka kanitha kuria thiini wa State House. Mundu gwitwo Archbishop Sapit wa Anglican Churches of Kenya oritie president atiriri, waka kanitha yo kuwi, will you be the bishop? When we go bishop ko na Muthee Kiengei no aritie Bishop Ben. Now itamuthomeire uria maugite heno ndu ndamwirire ugu kwa Kikuyu podcast. Branda iria nene thirikari eno yekire ni kwambia gukirira kanitha. That was blunder number 1, kuingira kanitha. Tathini wa mirogano eno yekire day 25th ni mambirie gukira kanitha makiuga ati kanitha ona ndekwaria ni mwone Kipchumba Murkomen akiaria na Murkomen akiaria ni thirikari. Magishoka magika mistake makambia gukira media netoni jina makihinga TV station. Now adoya matikerisha thini wa ithurano cia 2027 thirikari eno yingirire through kanitha mahuthirie kanitha ni amarekia. Now media nayo mabia kumihura media kuhura campaign against them. The big question is no nation yetere to nation yo moke no horo yo ati kwena kanitha irako kole State House. Nation market de kohoro cio ide matimenyaga niki mareka nego kona mwaki mwingi ugwakana kanitha 1.2 billion. No, it tells you that then wali regime eno still kwena spies no wokire okubra ohoro uri urekika State House. That means then was State House kwena spy akira nation kwena kanitha reda gwako na budget ya kanitha ucio ni 1.2 billion na magitumirwo jina kiria structure kana map ya kanitha ucio. Who did that? Kwena spy gina thini wa thigira wa iragi, believe me not. Now Sapit augitio gwakanire no reke kunyitane na agikorwo ni urora video no kuma kundu kungi agikona FB, TikTok ndakona gitio kinene muno wigia thini wa YouTube Kikuyu podcast na utweke wa subscribe to nikuo postaga video iria nyingi. Sapit augitio State House is the seat of human institution called the government. The church is a sanctuary to worship God, and it's supposed to be set apart from any unholy use. Building a church at State House declares Kenya a Christian country, contrary to the country's constitution that Kenya is a secular country which accommodates all. Okay? Asipita ugatiriri. Waka kanitha thini wa State House nekuwa ni uko na differences ya religion ni shikwabia korwa ndoni jinaira ithira makiuga atiriri kama kiori atiriri ndoni ithira makira president atiriri ake mosque kuria State House. So nikwabite uko na haro gatagati ka ithiramu na Christianity makore ni kanitha tu irako niki gutiga kwa mosque. Asipiti akogera akauga atiriri na ni very interesting. Will President Ruto be bishop or ex-leader Archbishop Sapit negu aroririe? Will President Ruto be the bishop or ex-leader? Ati Ruto president ni agatuika bishop thini wa kanitha ucio kana agatuika munene kanitha ucio arokire egwa kana bia ciake yehera gite-ini. What will happen na utere State House ni kanitha ni place ya muingi ahuthira bia ciake afuga athia atia? Muthee Kiengei nake ni aritie na Muthee Kiengei augitio kana Bishop Ben augitio a disconnect is about to happen in this nation. A scheme is fashioned to tarnish the church, and if it succeeds, church will look like a joke in Kenya. Kogera akawo President William Ruto, don't build a church in the State House. Our constitution entails freedom of worship. We have Muslims, Buddhists, Hinduism, and other religions in this nation who allow other faiths to fight Christianity. Yes, of course, Christianity. If you have to see us or worship, build an auditorium where we can all change factions. It will be cheaper. The rest of the money directly to our school and medical facilities. Bishop Ben, the compassionate askofu. Muthee Kiengei aramoria atiriri, Muthee Kiengei arera mundu ugwitwo Ruto atiriri, thondeka auditorium. Auditorium niki? Auditorium like njuge ni ta structure ndigwitwo kanitha. Okay, ni structure area agikorwo ithamu ni marenda guthii gweka maundu mao no mathie, Kristo igwa mena faction mathie ku no mathie, ono hindi meda no mathie. But when you create a church, how ni kuhurithania Christianity na religions iria ingi. Ni ndona mundu ugwitwo Dennis Itumbi, mwaria wa Dennis Itumbi ni akoragwo muno na President Ruto, ti mwaria wa thirikari no ni akoragwo muno hakuhi na Ruto. Auritie Archbishop Sapit kana akamwira amurie niki araramika na kambia kwethera maundu maingi hau. Ndamwira, and I've told you, this regime is making blunder after blunder after blunder. Thaici ni meyeheririe na kanitha kana mamberirie gukira kanitha, wikona disconnect between church and state. Na ni undu wa maundu maria mothe makoretwo magikika thiini wa bũrũri wa Kenya, abductions, killings, so on and so forth, na manifesto area kindu gigwitwo thirikari no ingiire nayo matiri marahingia manifesto yao. So kanitha ni amokirire muno na matirenda kanitha kumokirira, especially ngono andu moragwo muno, Gen Z moragwo. Kanitha ni amokirire na njira nene muno. We call disconnect between church and state. Okay, now the same state igwereka mehia makiambia gukira media ati ni rakava maundu maria marendia thiini wa bũrũri wa Kenya, higono kwa ina mirungano na wakona disconnect between media na state. What will happen? Religion kana what will happen? Pastors and bishop ana matumirwo kuingira thirikari ino mwaka 2022 kanitha ni atumikire kundu kunene muno. Twikinya ithurano cia 2027 mekura campaign against this regime, and that campaign will succeed. I tell you for free, that campaign will succeed, and they na mekura campaign against this regime. Agikone media, you see for yourself. Headlines show the shiriko washiki kwikoni magatheti-ini. All headlines will be against this regime. Na muonete thini wa gatheti ya Standard Nation, muonete their headlines, it's against this regime. Ni kuingira regime ino, yani ni kumahura ma knockout na ma uppercut. Nona hegono mareka owe na ona news ni murionaga kaingi matiragia maundu ati makusifu regime ino media, na ni media ciothe including mainstream media na social medias ciothe, most of them, and 70%, let me say 70%, but matigaga percentage yao ikoragwo kura regime ino. So from where they stand now, what mundu orama support Rikana ona Gen Z, they are against kandeno gwako ahujia, they are against Twegone media, kila mtu is against kandeno wako State House. Religion, other religion, they are against it. Then why will a president build this church, yet everybody else in Kenya is against it? Remember, State House, it's not a personal thing. Eno ni kindu kia Kenya. In fact, anakwage Kenya magirwo kwaba kurio before ulosho wiko. Okay, who advised Kinara to build a church in State House? Uria elie Kinara ake kanithai damwire ne guko na tofauti kana guko na haro. Of course, ni ategemera muno kura cia aitheramu. Maigwa kanitha niyo erenda gwakwo guko State House ye, na mekuga atia mundu uyu nake ndatwendera wega, nao nake akehurithania mwena wa aitheramu. It's boiling nicely, guys. It's boiling nicely. Ye mwenyewe niambia kwehurithania na aitheramu. Na wete keke aitheramu kwaja makome very strict. Magiuka undu taka ukarekwo. Mekuga mundu uyu mwaka 2027 ni tuona uria arenda gwika. Koguo anatwamucokia na oke akikandira by force. What will happen? They won't vote for him 2027. Who advised Ruto to do such a thing? Ithiramu makome very strict. Koguo mundu uyu arenda gutuikia ki ja no muge uguo. So they will be against him come 2027 thiini wa ithurano. So ego must go arenda ati kura ciao, kura cia ithiramu bado hatapata. So that was another big blunder. So religion ciothe ni kumuherera. In fact, Muslims will start kuhura, maybe from my point of view, nimekwambia kuhura campaign against him. Niki guthondeka kanitha. Koguo ithuĩ ta ithiramu tutiratambũrĩkana, and you know the way they love their religion. So it's a blunder after blunder, blunder after blunder. Akaruta kukura mwaka wa 27 after blunder ici ciothe. Guys, it is what it is. Guku ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Mani manyu waiko inywe murona atia. Thank you. Gamutine madne. Guys, it is what it is.